Yan ang lalaki. Matigas. Tawag-tawag ka pa.
Tawag-tawag. Kami kinakabit ah.
Sinabi na nga sa'yo may
Interlude, doon pala yung interlude.
Okay ba yung sounds, Cesar? Ganda, ano? Ito na lang dyan.
Ako nga gawin tuloy ganito.
Ang dami kumayan ito. Nangihinayan sila doon sa kitame nila eh. Kasi ito, kahoy lang ito dati. Walang kitame. Ngayon, nilagyan ko ng yung cardboard ba yung cardboard? Very square. Square lahat, square. Tapos tamtak. Tapos yung glue, yung glugan. Puro glugan yan. Kaya mo tayo tanggalin yan eh. Isang haplos lang yan, tanggal ng buo yan.
If we go again, all the way from the start, I will try to change things like kiss our love. Why has built a wall so strong that can't get through? Is there really no change to start once again? If we go again, all the way from the
Tinatawag din
start,
ka rin? Tinawagan ka rin?
I will try to change
Telepono ko eh.
things like kiss our love.
Kaya pala kanina sa mantin.
Yes, I have. I know it could be you. You should give me a chance. This can be the end. I'm still loving you. I'm still loving you.
Bugbugay, no?
I'm still loving you. I need your love. Still loving you.
Bugbugay? Oo, bossing ko, Cesar. Ano,